Welcome. This is a 10-minute gentle yoga flow for beginners or anyone looking to get a really good stretch in. Let's begin on our knees, circulating the wrists, feeling the clicks and ticks. Opposite direction. Release, rotating the head in a circular motion. Opposite direction. Go ahead and come back to center, sitting nice and tall. Take the left hand and plant it beside your left hip. Rest here or begin to draw the right ear to the right shoulder. Release, planting the right hand beside the right hip. Begin to draw the left ear to the left shoulder. Release, go ahead and tuck the toes. Sit the hips on your heels here. And if this feels too intense, no worries. Simply lift the hips and lean forward. In time, you'll draw the hips closer towards the heels. Nice deep breath cycles. Begin to soften the shoulders with your exhales. Untucking the toes, give them a good shake. And when you're ready, come to tabletop position. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. On an inhale, dropping the belly, gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement, moving at your own pace. Coming to your fingertips here, so we're lifting the palms of the hands off the mat. It'll give us a little more room as we go ahead and slide the left foot between the hands. Right hand stays planted beside that left foot. On an inhale, taking a twist, left hand reaches up overhead. Be strong here. On your next inhale, we'll go ahead and reach both hands up overhead for high lunge. Exhale, elbows in line with the shoulders for cactus. Inhale, reach. Exhale, cactus. Continue moving at your own pace. Release, planting the hands on the mat, coming back to your tabletop position, and begin to find some organic movement here. So just moving like nobody's watching. It's just you and your mat, just doing what the body needs here. And when you're ready, Come back to your fingertips, so we're allowing ourselves some space as we begin to slide the right foot between the hands. Planting the left hand beside the right foot, we'll take our twist, lifting the right hand overhead on an inhale. And be really strong here on your next inhale. Both hands reach up overhead for high lunge. Exhale, cactus the arms. Once again, go ahead and continue at your own pace, reaching nice and high. Exhale, open the chest, cactus. Plant the hands. Coming back to your tabletop position. Begin to find that organic movement again. So really moving, doing what the body needs, moving like nobody's watching. On an inhale, go ahead and round through the spine for Cobra pose. So keeping a nice little bend in the elbows. Begin to look over the right shoulder, then look over the left. Just getting a little stretch here. And when you're ready, go ahead and lower the chest down towards the mat. On an inhale, peeling the chest up for Cobra. Once again, continue moving at your own pace. We'll do this a few more times. When you're ready, sending the hips back for child's pose, hands reaching forward, forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat. Nice big belly breath here. Exhale, sighing out all that tension within the shoulders and the upper back. Planting the crown of your head on the mat, close to the knees, begin to slide your hands towards your hips and grab your heels. On an inhale, begin to lift the hips nice and high as you comfortably can. On an exhale, release, sending the hips down. Resting your hands beside your hips. Allow the shoulders to be heavy here, no tension in the hands. Begin to round through the spine, coming all the way up on an inhale. Full exhale. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.